tracks cut the town in two, no bridge, no way around. You learn real quick how to wait your turn or kill the engine and shut it down. Red lights blinking like they always have, same steel scream, same shade. Whole town holds its breath at once for however long it takes. You can hear it coming miles away, still it shows up fast, teaches you early. Some things don't slow down just because you ask. Somewhere a train is leaving, whether I'm ready or not. Life keeps moving through the middle of town, right through everything you forgot. You can stand there counting the cars, or you can turn away. Somewhere a train is leaving, and is leaving either way. Lost a friend back when we were young. Too much beer, not enough sense. Headlights stalled, rails too close. One dark night you don't get back from. Years later, another set of lights, a figure where they shouldn't be. Nobody knows if it was an accident or something heavier they carried quietly. That's the thing about a train town, it don't explain a thing. It just keeps rolling through your questions like they're nothing but noise to steal. Somewhere a train is leaving, doesn't stop to check the cost. Cuts right through your memory and keeps going like nothing's lost. You don't get a reason, you don't get to say. Somewhere a train is leaving, and it's leaving anyway. At those tracks my whole life, watching moments pass. Some of them come back around, some of them just don't. You learn to live with the crossing arms and the sound in your chest. You don't chase a train, you don't second guess. Somewhere a train is leaving, low horn fading into the trees, carrying jobs, ghosts and mornings that were never meant for me. I don't curse it, I don't follow, I just let it roll on through. Somewhere a train is leaving, and I'm still here, like this town taught me to